If you are into a solo ads, you might already know how hard it can be to find a right target audience, especially if you are a complete newbie. But don't worry, I got you. Hey guys, my name is Ishaan and I have been in this industry for a quite long time now. And after achieving success for ourselves, I and my partner Shaily decided to share our knowledge and experience with other young struggling people who want to live a financially independent life with the help of solo ad business. So today in this video, I am gonna tell you straight where and how you can find your target audience for your solo ad business. So stay till the end and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, so if you just started your solo ad adventure, then the safest place for you to easily find your audience is solo ad marketplace. Marketplaces like Udemy or maybe soloadx.com are where you can actually register yourself as an authorized solo ad provider. And such marketplaces are platforms that allow solo ad buyers and sellers to connect directly by paying a fraction of amount to register, all right, or maybe some people use advertisement. Okay, in fact Udemy is free to sign up, although it charges a percentage on clicks price and for some advanced traffic filtration. But all in all, it's a good place to get started and find your target audience. Now, another way, start building your own website traffic before you even start selling your solo ads traffic. Yep, that's my mantra for success. If you want to position yourself as a professional in a solo ad space and wish to do it as a full-time business and not just a side hustle, then you should definitely build your own website in the first place, as having a website will build trust and authority for your business, and publishing targeted content will help you to get targeted visitors to your website, which can be your future leads or who may actually buy from you. Also, you should define your traffic and its pricing properly on your website. Like you can see a website on my screen which my team actually built for one of my student. So here you can see that it's a David Glass. You can see his website, and his website is totally like you can see it's really kind of like a pre-sale site. Okay, anybody who would actually read his site, they would love that, and that is really important to get a customer who actually read your content first, so that they can easily trust you, your services, and hence they will end up buying something from you. Okay, so we built and set up the whole business for him, and I'm so glad that my training videos worked so well for him. He even hit a sale in his very first month. So if you too are looking for such a hand-holding mentorship, you are most welcome to join my troop and be a part of my community. My community where you learn together, grow together, and together we try to build a better environment in this whole solar space for both buyers and sellers, so that we can actually eliminate scammers or who are just here for quick bucks and left the whole community, right? I have put the link of my first model of my training program, that is Solo Ad Business Blueprint, in the description box for you, and it is completely free for you for now, so that you can enroll yourself before it go back to the original price, that is $97, to match the value what it actually delivers. It is only free for a limited period, as it's like you can say it's an inaugural offer that can actually expire after 3 months. Alright, now last but not definitely not the least way to find your target audience as a solo ad seller is join Facebook groups. You can easily search the solo ad buy and sell groups on Facebook, where you can find your potential customer that are actually traffic hungry affiliates, so they may or definitely be looking for your traffic. Alright, so now we have come to the end of this video, and these were my top ways on how you can actually find your target audience while selling solo ads. So once again, I would like to invite you to join my training, because if you're serious about setting up your solo ad agency and want to learn all the secrets and master in this traffic industry and can actually do something for yourself, for your family, this is the best opportunity available in the market. And I don't make any false promises to you like any other program. I'm gonna give you a very practical roadmap, tools, and funnel system that has been working for me for over 6 years and has been work for many of my students. So if you complete my program and implement all the training, that can actually help you to achieve a minimum 3 to 5,000 US dollar per month, and that's just a minimum. And if you want to go for a maximum, I will leave it to you. how far you want to go. That is up to you. So just click the link in the description box and enroll now. Good luck and cheers for your success. Bye bye.